Okay, let me see. Good afternoon. Hi, Darius. So I hope you have done your homework, because if you've not done so, and if let's say you were overseas, for example, right? There's no way to do. It's okay. You drop in, and then what you can do is, oh, you have. That's great. That's great. Okay, no problem. Compo, I will go through with you. Not to worry. Not to worry. Okay. So if you've not done it, it's okay. For now, because you went overseas, and things like that. So it's fine. So just listen in. You can type in, all right, type in your answers later on if you go online. Or for some people, or for some students, they actually print out, the parents print out to them. So if you print out, it will look something like that. Let me find, if you print it out, because I print out the student's copy also. So it probably would like something like that. Okay, so you can also do it, right? If you have printed it out. All right. Okay, wait for a while. I didn't go on holiday. Okay. Well, not everybody went for holiday, but it's nice to have a break, right, from school. Okay, let's move now. So what are we learning today? So please go to learn and attempt lesson 23, which you have already been told, right? So what is our lesson objective today? So we're going to start starting an introduction, right? So later for composition, we start an introduction. So what I will do is later on in the whole lesson, much later, all right, when we are doing composition, I need you to write an introduction of what you have done, okay? And then what you can do is you can put in the chat here, all right? Chat here, right? So then we can all see your writing, okay? Yeah, no need to be so long. It just needs to have, you just need an introduction, which is later, all right? Okay, so we're going to tackle paper 2 first, because you are in P4, streaming year, right? So important year. So we're going to go through with you the important components, which is grammar, MCQ, question 1 to 5. Then question 6 to 11 is your vocabulary close, and 12 will be composition, which I will go through later, okay? So you're supposed to answer all questions and type all answers in the given spaces. All right, so a bit of house rules. I think you have seen this many, many, many times. Every week, I need to go through this with you because it's the requirement of ADA tuition, okay? It is compulsory to turn on your video and mute your microphone. You can use the chat function to ask questions, answer questions, share feedback. So later, you can share your feedback on your introduction of your compo. Is it okay? So everybody will have a chance. Next, number 3, if there is anything urgent, just raise your hand, and then I will ask you what is it. And if you need to go for toilet break, please do. All right. So you just ask me, teacher, I need to go toilet. So okay, sure. You go toilet, then you come back quickly. Okay. Be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class, because sometimes some students have very the questions they have burning questions. So meaning that they want to ask questions, they really want to know certain things. So sometimes it may not come out as respectful to other students. All right, so you can ask simply, just ask simply, not ask simple question, but ask simply. Okay, let's move on. So today we're going to cover all this. So first is we're going to cover grammar MCQ. I will not show you slides, as in the slide on the whole big page, okay? Because you know why? I need to annotate, right? So if I show the slide, right, I will not be able to annotate, right? So I hope you understand. All right, so let's try and do this together. I'll give you the answers, but I will go through with you. I'll explain to you why we come to this answer. So the answer is, I did pass her message just now. Adam insisted. So why, if you say, I have passed her the message just now, Adam insisted. I had passed her the message just now. Adam insisted. Okay, so some people may say had, but then the thing is, insisted means you insist, you say, I did do that. I didn't do that. You see, if I say, if the parent asks, if somebody asks you, did you do this? Or an auntie asks you, okay, an aunt asks you, did you do this? No, I didn't do that. So that's, you are insisting, right? You are persistent. So therefore, the answer is, I did pass her the message just now. Insisted. If let's say, right, there's no insisted here, just said, right, you can say had, but because it is a word that is a demanding word, therefore is did. All right, anybody put did here? Anybody want to show me a check this, a thumbs up? Anyone? Nobody? Okay, Ken, so this is your answer. Next one. Are the Wilsons going to New York at the end of this month? Why? Because it's a continuous tense. Okay. Are you going to school? Right. So because it's Wilsons here, are the Wilsons going? Because it's plural. Therefore, it needs to be are. Okay. Okay, so continuous tense is going. For example, is moving with the ing, right? So I think you know this, moving, okay, etc. So I think you would know that. Key, what's that? Okay, what's that? What's that? Dearest? Asking. I think I see. Okay, everything asking. Oh, okay, can. So, yeah, no, it's got to be continuous tense. Is moving, moving, was moving, the ing. Okay, so with ing, you can use is, was, were, be, being, be. All right. Okay, next one, we go on to the number 3. My elder sister does like singing. You can't say did like singing, right? Because and she is usually present tense, too busy to sing. You see, if we put my elder sister have like singing, wrong, right? My elder sister is like singing, no. My elder sister did like singing, but she is. But because of the present tense, we cannot use did. We can only use does. I hope you understand. Are you okay? Can? Yeah. So basic grammar rules. You need to annotate when you're doing grammar. Please annotate. Next one. The ladder has been removed by the workers. All right. So it has been removed because it's singular, right? So if it's singular, it needs to be has. Is been removed is cannot, because is and are is actually a be verb. It's a be verb. So, and been is also a be verb. So you cannot use this together. You cannot use have either because it's ladder. All right. So the answer is has, answer is C. Okay. Can? So last one, we must not be rude with old parents. The speaker from the old age home reminded the children. So answer is must. We may not be rude, cannot. Okay, because you must never be rude, right? We might not be rude. We could not be rude. No. So we must not be rude because it's a reminder. We must bring the pencil case to school. Your pencil, your bag to school, for example. You must bring your wallet to school so that you can have recess, right? Okay. I hope you can get all correct. Just wondering, can anyone get 3 and above? Can you show me your thumbs up? 3 and above. Thumbs up. Do you know how to use the is there a icon here? There's no icon here on my side. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, Darius, very nice. Yeah, you can show me or you can just do that. Can. So maybe I go down. Yes, very good, everybody. Very good. Okay, can. Nice. Let's go on to the next one. Yes, check. Somebody's asking me something. 4.5. Very good. Nice. Can. So you just show me the thumbs up. Is it okay? Can. All right. Next one. Next, we're going on to vocabulary. Now, vocabulary, you need to, okay, whatever. I know some of you may be doing exam papers. All right. So vocabulary, right? You need to find the meanings from the dictionary. Okay, can. Good. You need to find the meaning from the dictionary. Very easy. You just go online, right? And just type in, okay, some words that you don't know, and then it will the meanings will come up. But then sometimes there are many meanings. There are many meanings there are many meanings. For example, certain words like huge, there are many meanings. Certain words there are many meanings, right? So you must go back to the context. I'll show you an example. Okay, hold on. Let me see, this one done, this one all done. Okay, so there are 6 blanks, numbered 6 to 11, right? From the list, so write A to H. Now, in your exam, you must write A to H. You shouldn't be writing like this. Okay, why do I write like that? I write like this, right? I write like this, is because I want you to see the answer. But then for exam, you just write the word A, will do, okay? I know some schools, the teachers say you can write down the word like this. All right, some schools ask the students to write in pencil, but before they submit the paper, they erase. Some schools say no need, you can just write the answer. You write the alphabet and the answer here. So listen to your teacher. Understand or not? Listen to your teacher. Okay, can? So I'm going to go through with you, but by right is just the word A like that. Okay. I go through the meanings. You know, anxious, right? Very anxious, like very you feel restless. Okay. Like very worried. This is more of worried, like anxious for exam results. You can write down the meaning if you don't know. Okay, can you write it down now? Elated means happy. Write down the word happy so that you know the meaning. Is that okay? What's bitter? A bitter person is a very sad person. It can also mean many meanings. I'll show you. This is when you check the word bitter, right? It's not only taste. It's got meaning for feelings also. See, I'll show you an example. So you try to do your vocab on your own. Then you say, what's bitter? Wow, Oh, so many meanings. What? So never mind, don't be scared, don't be shocked, because it just depends on your context. Okay. So if I say bitter taste, so we know this is bitter taste, right? Pungent taste or smell, not sweet. Then anger. So if you're bitter, if the person is bitter, person angry, very hurt. Resentment means like don't like, you know. So I don't feel jealous or bitter. So usually bitter is jealous, right? I hope we don't have this. You don't feel like that. So, and then bitter flavor also, and other meanings. So there are so many meanings. So you must be, sorry, so you must be careful, everyone. Sorry about that. Yeah. So you must be careful. Yeah, be very careful which one to choose. Is that all right? Okay, come, let's move. So bitter means, I just put down there sad. Can? It's easier for us. Embarrassed, I think, learn your spelling, because you know why? This one is they give you the answer. But if they ask you for editing, you must edit the words, right? You must know that embarrassed is double R, double S. Remember, disappointed is one S. Disappointed, I think you know. Guilty, distraught. What's the meaning of distraught? Okay, I show you the meaning for distraught here. Meaning for distraught is worried and upset. Okay, worried and upset. You can write it down. Worried and upset. Write it down now. You know why? You can use this in compo. Yeah, you can use this in compo. Okay, so she was feeling distraught. Okay, let's go on. During lunchtime, the four of us gathered in the playground like always. Except this time, no one except Mike was interested in playing. We were all feeling anxious about getting back our science examination result. Why? Because science is not very simple, right? So we are very anxious. Maybe the exam was very difficult. Okay, I hope you got A as an answer. Hey, what's the point of worrying? He chirped. What's chirp? Chirp means he said cheerfully. You can use this in your compo, right? He chirped while swinging from one of the monkey bars. I think you know what's the monkey bars. Exam, I advise you, don't play at the monkey bars because I have a student last time, right? So he played at the monkey bars during exam time, so he fell and then broke his arm, okay? And then had to be cast. Then how to write? So it become problem, okay? So try not to do that during exam. The rest of us were not as relaxed as him because he's very cool, right? He's very cheerful and all that. So answer is H. He's not very relaxed as him. All right, I wait for you. Not to worry, wait for you. Some of you are annotating maybe, yeah? Okay. Okay, there's a chat. Miss, can number 7 be elated? Oh, I see. Oh, I see. The rest of us were not as elated as him. Okay, wait for a while. Because hold on. Let me see. Oops. Wait wait a minute. Elated. Did we use elated? Sorry. Oh, we didn't use elated. Okay, I won't say he's elated. Elated means very happy. So I wouldn't say that he's very happy. I would say that he's quite cool. He's quite relaxed. Okay, what's the point of worrying, right? So I think this is a better answer. Elated means very happy. So this one in this case, what's the point of worrying? That's how he said it. So he's cool. He's relaxed. Is it okay? Can? Okay. Oh, okay. Can. Can I move to the next slide? Can If cannot, just say teacher, wait. Okay, can? So you can just tell me, teacher, wait, and I will go and I will slow down. I will wait for you. All right. It's not fair. The question was tougher than before. Whined Timothy. What's whine? Whine means complain. Write down the meaning. Because you know why? Your P4, the vocabulary is going to be more than primary 3. It's going to be harder, right? You need to know. Okay. He was, as usual, feeling bitter, right? It was never his fault when things go wrong. Wait a minute. Sorry about that. This is, wait sorry for a while. And Mike. This is Mike.